Hey guys, just doing this week's dev update. On the Oxen Core team, we basically continued our work with service node batching. We did some work on testnet to see that it's appropriately forking over. So that should be kind of one of the last things before we kind of schedule a hard fork and get ready to push that out. But that probably won't happen for a little bit. We probably want to include a few more things in the Oxen Core hard fork before we include batching. But yeah, that's the main work we've been doing on Oxen Core. Lokinet, most of the Lokinet devs this week were working on the session file server and the session open group server, so there wasn't too much done. We did fix a little bug with kind of an infinite testing glitch that was happening on service nodes. On session, we released unsend requests on all platforms, so that was basically a feature which allows you to delete messages from other users' devices and also delete them from the storage server as well. And yeah, as I spoke about before, we spent a significant amount of time on the server side, on the open group server and the session file server side. So originally it was kind of one Rust binary, which would kind of handle all of the open group stuff and all of the session file storage stuff. Now that's split into two separate Python binaries, which handle the session open group side and also the session file server side as well. So it's kind of becoming a bit more split into different parts, which is a good thing. It's good for abstraction. But we will also be working on the session open group server, implementing the endpoints that we've been talking about for a while. So this is stuff like being able to ban a user across an entire server instead of just in specific rooms for the session open group operator, pinned messages, message editing. There's a whole bunch of new features that are coming in new endpoints for that as well. So yeah, that should wrap out the dev update. Thanks guys for listening.